Today I'm going to walk you through making your own color wheel in Illustrator. We're going to use these color wheels to explore different color combinations, but you need to get a grasp of what a color wheel is and how it works. So we're going to start off by making our own color wheels so you can use for your reference. So you're going to start off by opening an 8.5 by 11 document, which everybody should know how to do this at this point. Hopefully you haven't forgotten over break. And you're going to get your circle tool, your eclipse tool, sorry. And you're going to draw a circle. Click and drag. Hold shift and just kind of draw a circle that you think is big enough to fill the screen. And you're going to get your alignment toolbox. And you're going to align to artboard right here. So if you get your alignment tool, you go down here to say align to artboard, and then you're going to hit your alignment tools and it should fit directly in there. You could make it a little bit smaller. Let's see what it says. Actually, it says to make it 7 by 7 inches, so you can go back and make that 7 by 7. There you go. And now it should be completely aligned to the artboard. And then you are going to scale this so you can have 3 equal circles within each other. So you're going to hit right click, you're going to hit transform, scale, and you're going to scale it by 75% uniform, and so it's going to be uniform 75% all the way through, and you're going to scale strokes and effects, and you're going to hit copy. Don't hit OK, hit copy so it creates a copy of it. And then you're going to do this one more time. Hit transform, scale, and this time you're going to do it by 40% is uniform, so it should say 40% all the way through. Scale, strokes and effects again, and hit copy, not OK. So it should have something that looks like this, which it didn't really look like it scaled the stroke, but that's okay. And then you're going to hit your star tool, and you're going to click once so your dialog box pops up like this, and you're going to hit a 12. You want to put 3.5, 3.5 by 1.5, and you want to have 12 points for this star. Hit OK. So it's going to be a little off center, so you want to make sure that lines up perfectly within the circle. You could also go here to align to artboard again, and then everything should line up. And then you want to make sure you don't have a fill color. So this is what you should have at this point. Then you are going to grab your polygon tool underneath the star tool again. Click dead center. Right, see that center that just popped up? This will keep it centered. And again, you're going to hit your radius at 1.5. And your sides is going to be 12 as well. Hit OK. And then that should equally distribute like that. And this is what you have so far. Then we need to draw lines in the star to do your graph. So I would zoom in, which is Command plus, and grab your line tool, and then you're just going to start drawing lines. Go up just a little bit more through the center so that everything meets in the center right there. Just keep doing this until they all have lines. There you go. Well, I'm missing one. There we go, one more. There. So you should have 12 equal parts all the way around. You zoom out, got a good color wheel going. So make sure all the points line up. And then you're going to get your Pathfinder tool and you're going to create, this says 1. Pathfinder. And you're going to hit your, I think, divide button. Let's see if that does it. So if you hit your divide button, which is your first one down there, you should be able to go in with your white pointer tool, and then you have all these separate shapes now that you can color in with the color wheel. So that is the steps of creating your color wheel. In the next section, we will talk about coloring it in.